right, class. So the reason why I had you cut that last video short is by slide 98, I actually forgot what I was intending to do with the Toulmin method of argument here. So, and as I was discussing it, I'm like, that didn't seem right. So I went back, I'm like, oh my goodness, my brain. Anywho, so what we're trying to do here is imagine you're trying to take Goldilocks to court, or you're trying to make a claim here because she's done some pretty shady things. So she was trying, I don't know why I put her in the seat of trying to make the argument for herself. And I'm like, that felt very fallacious, and that's why. Okay, so what we're trying to do here is make valid arguments to why we should do something about Goldilocks here. And so our claim would be that Goldilocks should be arrested. Okay, she should be arrested for breaking and entering and for squatting. Okay, so there we go. Now this feels right. Okay, so this is our claim against Goldilocks. And our reason is she broke into the three bears' house, she stole their food, and she slept in their beds. So this is our reasoning behind it. And the warrant is that it is illegal to break in and break and enter into a home and steal someone's food. And right, so break and entering, squatting. This is the reason why we feel that she should be arrested. Okay, so this makes more sense. And this is actually going to be a lot more fun with the others, like the three pigs, with the wolf being charged with property destruction, an attempted murder, right? So we're going to hold these claims. We have our reasons and our warrants behind it. So with Goldilocks, when we talk about the qualifier, what we're looking for here is actually our assumption value. Like, what do we find? Our value assumption here is that home should be a safe place. Okay, home should be a safe place, and people should not be breaking and entering and squatting in your yard or in your living room, okay, or in your bed, for goodness sake. All right, so what I'd love you to do is take some time and just kind of mess around with it, because I forgot, oh man, I really like this assignment. It wasn't clicking in my brain, so I apologize. You could do that with the Little Red Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf, Cinderella, all of them. It's all very fun. Again, we're looking for a claim, so like with the little pigs, I'll kind of go ahead on that one. The claim is that the wolf should be charged with property destruction and attempted murder. What's our reasoning? He tried to blow their house down. That was an obvious one, okay? And then after that, he tried to eat them. So I think just property destruction and attempted murder is, that sounds about right. And then our warrant for that is because he destroyed the property and attempted to, eat them. This is on my warrant, right? And the value assumption is that one's property is valued as is one's life. Okay, so these are where we can see if we were to take any of these fairy tale characters to court, these are going to be the reasons behind it. So anyway, go ahead and have fun with that, and I apologize profusely for totally just like on that one. But there you go. All right.